Welcome to Glitz Nails and Design. In the spirit of the Halloween season, we are sharing 25 Halloween nail art ideas that will transform your fingertips from forgotten to absolutely unforgettable.
Pumpkin patch nails. Let's start with something that screams Halloween without being too intense. Classic pumpkin patch nails are a fabulous entrance into Halloween nail art. Think tiny orange pumpkins scattered across your nails with delicate green vines weaving between them, finished with just a hint of orange glitter. It's festive, but still office appropriate if you're dealing with a conservative workplace. Next, jack-o'-lantern faces. But maybe you want something with more personality. Jack-o'-lantern faces take that pumpkin concept and add character. Paint your nails a rich orange base, then use a thin black brush to create those iconic carved expressions. Each nail can have a different face, giving you a whole family of jack-o'-lanterns at your fingertips. Candy corn gradient. If you're feeling nostalgic for childhood trick-or-treating, candy corn gradient nails will transport you straight back to those sugar-fueled nights. Start with white at your cuticle, blend into bright orange in the middle, then finish with yellow at the tips. The key is seamless blending, so invest in a good makeup sponge for this technique. Haunted house silhouettes. Now let's talk about creating atmosphere. Haunted house silhouettes are pure art on your nails. Picture stark black Victorian houses against a deep purple or navy background, maybe with a few tiny yellow windows glowing ominously. Add a silver moon, and suddenly your nails are telling a whole spooky story. Spiderweb tips. Spiderweb tips offer a subtle way to embrace Halloween without going full gothic. Paint delicate black webs starting from one corner of each nail, letting them fade across a nude base. It's sophisticated spookiness that works for any occasion. Vampire bite nails. Ready to embrace your dark side? Vampire bite nails are surprisingly elegant. Think glossy red drops, positioned strategically near your cuticles, with perhaps tiny white bang details. The trick is restraint. Less is more when you're going for mysterious rather than gory. Black lace nails. Black lace nails bring Victorian Gothic glamour to your fingertips. Use matte black polish as your base, then add intricate lace patterns using nail stamping plates or steady freehand work. The contrast between matte and glossy creates incredible depth. Graveyard scene. For those who love storytelling, graveyard scene nails let you create tiny masterpieces. Paint misty gray backgrounds, then add small tombstones, bare trees, and maybe a few friendly ghosts floating around. Each nail becomes a mini landscape of spooky serenity. Blood drip manicure. Blood drip manicures sound intense, but they're surprisingly chic when done right. Use glossy red polish to create realistic-looking drip around your fingertips and trailing down. Coffin shape with black chrome. Coffin-shaped nails with black chrome finish are pure drama. The shape itself makes a statement, and that mirror-like black chrome catches light in the most mesmerizing way. It's bold, sleek, and undeniably eye-catching. Ghost nails. But Halloween doesn't have to be scary. Ghost nails bring playful charm with simple white ghost shapes floating across soft pastel bases. Add tiny black dot eyes, and you've got the cutest spooky manicure imaginable. Glow-in-the-dark bats. Glow-in-the-dark bats add an element of surprise. Paint small black bats across your nails using special phosphorescent polish. Then watch them come alive under UV light at Halloween parties. It's like having a secret hidden in plain sight. Mummy wrap nails. Mummy wrap nails are striking and surprisingly easy. Use white polish to create irregular bandage stripes, leaving small gaps in between each. Then make your bandages visible by outlining with gray polish using a fine tip brush. Cute monster nails. Cute monster faces let you showcase different personalities on each nail. Think Frankenstein's green complexion and stitches. Or you can also create your own one-eyed creature with wild expressions. Witch hat and broom accents. Start with your favorite base color, think deep purples or midnight blacks. Now here's where the magic happens. Choose just one or two accent nails, usually your ring finger or thumb. Apply tiny witch hat decals or draw miniature broomsticks using a thin nail art brush. Skeleton French tips. Skeleton French tip design puts a Halloween twist on this classic manicure. Paint delicate bone structures on the nail base or add bone decals. It's unexpectedly elegant and conversation starting. Smoke effect nails. Smoke effect nails create an otherworldly atmosphere using swirling black and gray techniques. Blend the colors while wet to create that mysterious misty effect that looks like fog rolling across a haunted moor. Spider and web 3D designs. For texture lovers, three-dimensional spider and web designs use gel polish to build raised elements that you can actually feel. When done well, they look almost realistic enough to make people do double takes. Poison apple theme. Poison apple themes blend fairy tale darkness with Halloween glamour, create metallic green to black gradients with subtle dripping effects that suggest something deliciously dangerous. Crystal coffin nails. Crystal coffin nails combine clear bases with embedded rhinestones or tiny charms, creating an ethereal yet gothic look that catches light beautifully. Spellbook and potion designs. Witchy designs open up endless possibilities. Spellbook and potion motifs let you paint tiny bottles, mystical symbols, and magical elements. Galaxy Witch Nails. Galaxy Witch Nails combine deep purples and blues with cosmic shimmer that looks like captured starlight. Black cat silhouettes. Black cat silhouettes with golden moon accents are timelessly elegant. The contrast between matte black cats and metallic moon details creates visual interest without overwhelming the design. Tarot-inspired art. Tarot-inspired art turns each nail into a miniature card reading. Paint simplified versions of major arcana symbols or create your own mystical iconography. Holographic magic dust nails. Finally, holographic magic dust nails layer iridescent polish over black bases, creating an otherworldly shimmer that shifts and changes as you move your hands. Thank you for watching. If you liked or learned something, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon, as we are dedicated to bringing you inspirational nail art design videos. You can also check out our nail art tutorial videos on our channel.